Itinalaga bilang bagong technical director ng Philippine Football Federation ang dating Philippine Men's National Football Team head coach na si Joseph Pep Ferre. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Nagpatawag ng isang press conference ang Philippine Football Federation nitong Martes sa House of Football sa lungsod ng Pasig. Ito ay para formal na anunsyo ang pagkakahirang ng dating Philippine Men's Football Team head coach na si Joseph Pep Ferre bilang pinakabagong technical director ng PFF. Ayon kay Ferre, target niya na mas palawakin pa ang grassroots development program ng PFF para makahikayat pa ng mga kabataan na maglaro ng football.
As a technical director, I am focused into develop the football in the country, and being absolutely determined to grow the number of young footballers around the country that play football today. It's a need, basic need. We need to enroll more players from the younger ages.
Dagdag pa ng 40-year-old Spanish coach, naglilibot na sila sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa upang makahanap ng mga susunod na henerasyon ng football players na posibleng magsuot ng national colors. Bukod dito, hangad din ni Ferre na mas pag-usahin pa ang mga football coaches dito sa Pilipinas.
We need to help our coaches, the Filipino coaches who are working today with our young kids. We have to give them more tools to be more prepared, to be ready, and to serve the young kids for the needs that they have. And they have to give to them what they deserve and what they need to grow and to become better players.
Tiwala rin sina PFF Director of Football Vincent Santos at Deputy General Secretary Kevin Goco sa kakayahan ni Ferre na gampanan ang kanyang bagong role sa Philippine football.
He actually had the background, he has the big educational formation that he has, which we sorely lack. He's a professional licensed coach at a very young age, very much passionate, willing to work with the new management of PFF.
We felt that he had the right values. His values were aligned to the values that we want to push and promote here in the PFF.
Pangako ni Ferre bilang bagong technical director ng PFF, tututukan niya ang pagpapalawak ng football sa ating bansa. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.